Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by powering and prepping the hardware. Turn the headphones on and watch for a steady or blinking LED. That tells you the unit is active. Make sure your phone or laptop has Bluetooth enabled and is in discoverable mode, because pairing can't begin unless both sides advertise. Once done, keep the headset within 1 meter to avoid radio dropouts. That range ensures discovery and an uninterrupted first connection, so don't walk away while pairing. You now pair and position for optimal function. On your device, tap the headset name in the Bluetooth list and accept any pairing code. This links the profiles for media and calls. Next, place the bone pads on your cheekbones, just in front of the ears. This contact transmits vibrations directly, so fit matters for bass and clarity. Then open audio settings and select the headset for both playback and microphone. Make sure volume is moderate to test before full use. Finish by validating performance and knowing one key fix. Run a short call and play music to confirm microphone pickup and frequency balance. If sound is muffled, reposition the pads until voice clarity improves. If pairing fails, forget the device on your phone, power cycle the headset, then repeat the pairing steps. This simple reset solves most issues. Make sure firmware is current for stability, and if problems persist, follow the model-specific reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.